Emdee Tiyamiyu, a YouTube vlogger, is trending online for what he said about Nigerians migrating to the UK with their family. Now, this boy is a YouTube content creator. He's a YouTuber. For over the years, he has been doing YouTube content, but his content have not trended. So maybe because he felt that his content have not trended, he now decided to try something, a topic that will trend, because already the UK has already had plans on cutting down on migration, not just Nigerians, but other countries in the world that are migrating to the UK. But the boy now used Nigeria as a point of topic, that Nigerians are using school methods as a means to run away from the country with their family. Now, you might not know the gravity of what you have said, Emdee Tiyamiyu, but let me tell you the gravity of what you have said. Over the past 8 years, President Muhammadu Buhari has jeopardized the reputation of Nigeria as a country internationally. Internationally, they see us as lazy youths, they see us as criminals and the rest of them, which is not true. Now, President Muhammadu Buhari went to a country, I don't know, maybe it's Germany or something, some years ago, and went on live TV to say Nigerians are lazy. We have Nigerian youths, according to Buhari, he said Nigerian youths are lazy. We know what we suffered to clean that comment that Buhari made about Nigeria. It is high time Nigerians stop criticizing the country and criticize the government that is making the country to be in that shape. Buhari went to another country and went to say that the Nigerian youth are lazy. We know what we did as youth in the country to even clean that thing that Buhari went to say, because it's a slap on the country's face. It's a slap on the hardworking youth face. That has passed. We have tried our best to make the international community not see us as lazy. You in 2023, it's just like somebody in 2022 September, you have been praying to God to help you to open the door of UK for you, and God opens the door of UK for you. You enter and close the door. That is what you did. You might not know the gravity of what you did. Let me correct you, Emdee Tiyamiyu. Nigerians are not using that medium to run away from the country. Nigerians that go to UK for study, they are doing so because they see that UK has the standard of a favorable environment and the standard of education they need in their life and their career. Nigeria has not provided a favorable environment and condition for people to study. And these people said, no, do you think to migrate to UK is small thing? 15,000 pounds is a small thing? Do you know how much that is in Naira? They gather money, they go to another country in UK to go and study. They say, fine, we don't want to go and mix. They go there with their family so that they can live peacefully, hustle and continue their life. You went on live TV because of you want content, and you went and be saying they are using it to wrong. You don't give the country a bad face. You are a Nigerian. You don't give the country a bad face. How do they make the country good? It's by you and me going to make the country a better place. Give the country a better pace internationally. You start to change it, not that you go and add more. Buhari has already done damages. You have gone to do your own. All of a sudden, you are coming out to apologize. You come and do something because of views, and you want subscribers on your YouTube page. You come and criticize what people are doing. People are migrating to the UK with their family to go and study. Do you think that thing you did will not affect you as a Nigerian? Because they will stigmatize you. That thing the effect of what you did is that there will be stigmatization in the UK. Even you are not left aside. When they see you in the UK, they will say, see them. They are the ones that are coming to the UK too with school, and they are running away from the country. They will stigmatize you. You are not exempted. You do what you did and you are coming out to say you are sorry. No, we know that the UK have plans already to cut down on migration. Yes, because of the according to the UK, they say they don't have the facilities and the road to accommodate the crowds that is migrating into the UK through studies. We agree. But you come and say Nigeria are using it to run away. Not everybody in Nigeria is suffering now. Say they are using it. You just go and scatter the country pace internationally. Reputation we are trying to build. Look at Nigerian youths doing music, Davido and the rest of them, making us proud. We have a lot of talent, comedians, actors, and the rest of them, making the country proud internationally. They are seeing it that we have talent. You come and say they are running away. They are doing this. It's because of the favorable environment the government have not provided. The education sector, the government has not invested in our country here. That is why they try to move. You finish what you said about Nigerian. You come on the internet and you are crying. You are saying you are sorry. You are sorry. You are sorry. You are sorry. You come on the internet and you say you are sorry. I know some people don't even know that this kind of thing is trending online. That is why I went back to even do this video so that you can see. What you need to do is share this video and share your thoughts on this video. This is not a video that you will watch and keep quiet. Go to the comment section and express your anger. I am very angry. That's why I didn't even wear my cap. I forgot that I didn't even wear my cap in the first place. No, the boy got me angry now. I couldn't even wear my cap because before I will even tell you who I am, I need to wear my cap. It has gotten to the point. You come on the internet, you say you are sorry. Mess the country pace up. Share this video, let everybody see what this boy has done to us. Share the video, let the video go viral. Let them see what this boy has even said about the country. And he's coming to say he's sorry. Saying he didn't mean it. You are doing something because of views, because of followers, subscribers on your YouTube page. You are even coming on the internet and saying negativity is good. You are doing something negative. You are even proud of it. Do you think if you have followers with negative content that you do think that is a good follower? You get bad followership now. You do something for followership and you jeopardize hope of thousands of Nigerians that want to go and study in the UK. Do you think these people that want to study in the UK, they just pick the money on the ground? They don't pick the money on, they suffer. It's their life savings. They gather together to go to the UK and study. It's not cheap to go to the UK and study. You just open your mouth. Wah! But just vomit nonsense from your mouth. You come on the internet in the morning and you are saying you are sorry. And you want Nigerians to say, he don't say he's sorry. Now, more people forgive him. You have done worse than what anybody has done to the country. I am very angry with you, Emdee Tiyamiyu. I am a content creator like you. I will not jeopardize the pace of the country because of content or views or like or followers. I won't do that. Even as I'm talking about what this boy has done, some people will still watch the video and say, this one man and Shaibu, he don't have sense. The boy is saying the truth. I know I don't have sense. But I'm telling you, what this boy has done is bad. Share this video. Share this video. I don't need to tell you to share the video. And in case you are wondering who I am the Spice Creator. That is my title. You cannot, there's nothing you can do about that. Google me if you like. Now Google me, that is your business.